Hey, it's Don Copeland, and today we decided to bring out the big guns. We're going to use the Compress IUV 1200S, 45.3 inches by 29.5 inch print area, and today we're doing a tile mosaic. All right, these is actually 4 sections of tile. I think we got them on sale for like $3 a piece. We got $12 worth of tile here. Since these are a glazed tile, we put on our Compress adhesion promoter that we sell through Coleman & Company, and did a great job. We're not getting any scratching on these when we put it on the tiles. So what we've done to start this off is we've actually printed a black square here that's slightly larger than the tiles themselves to give us a good target. And then when we go to print, we're actually going to print just slightly larger than the square. So we make sure we get a good full coverage on all these tiles. So these tiles here on the edges are getting the same love that the tiles in the middle are with the ink coming off of the edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and load this up. As you'll see on the software here, we've brought the design up. We're getting ready to print this. I think we're actually doing this in a production mode. And it's more of a little abstract type of art. It's not real fine lines. So we can actually get away with just rocking and rolling, printing this pretty quick. And we're going to get it printing right now. We'll go ahead and load it up. Alrighty, so we've sent it over now. This is just a straight, these are white tiles. We're just putting a color layer straight on top of this. It's about 55 cents worth of ink on these 4. This is basically 2 foot by 2 foot. This is 4 square foot of tile that we're printing out. And the cool thing is when you get done with this, you can mount it in any direction you want. Straight up and down, you can angle it 90 degrees, it doesn't matter. So as you're shopping for UV printers, you're gonna hear a lot of buzzwords and a lot of things. One of the things that really separates the Compress printers from the rest of the marketplace is the fact that we print bidirectionally on a lot of things and we get a lot of production. And what does that mean? Is if you watch, every time this head scans back and scans forth, each time it moves one direction or the other, you see the bed advancing. So that means we're printing this way and we're printing this way as it comes across. A lot of our competition, especially the competition that's in the same size range as this, they're only going to print this way. That means that whole stroke back is wasted time. You're not making money. When you're doing it with this machine, you're seeing we are just flying through this great quality print and half the time as we would if we were printing it unidirectional. Almost done. Just about to the end here. This is amazing. This looks just like a watercolor, doesn't it? Printed straight onto this. This is amazing. It's a watercolor image that we brought in, and if you can see the quality of this is just crazy. And when you recap the numbers a little bit, we had about $12 worth of tiles, and between the ink and the adhesion promoter, probably $1. And we're looking at, this is $13 to produce 4 square feet of custom printed tile. And if you hook up with anybody who does custom bathrooms, custom kitchens, this is crazy what you can produce for them and be able to give their customers really, really high-end prints customized to their desires for really, really not a lot of money. As you can see, you could churn out a ton of these things every day on the 1200S.